Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable spike bow, perfect for a Valentine's Day wreath. What you will need, I have the large Bowdabra here, some bow wire. I usually go with about 15 to 18 inches. And then I have ribbon. Now I have 4 different styles of ribbon here. I have this red sheer wire edge ribbon. It's 1.5 inches in width. I have this cute burlap ribbon, 1 inch wide. I have this really pretty gold wire edge ribbon, and it is, I want to say, 7/8 inches in width. This pretty gold printed ribbon, which is also 7/8 inches in width. And then I have cut 18-inch long pieces and 12-inch long pieces. And the number that you cut just depends on how large and poofy you want your bow to be. So I cut about 2 to 3 pieces in each of my 4 styles of ribbon. But you can add more or less. Like I said, it just depends on how many loops and spikes you would like. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down in the center of my Bowdabra. The 12-inch long pieces are my spikes and the longer pieces are my loops. I'm going to fold a spike in half to find the center and scrunch. Fold in half, bring the front and the back up and place it down. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the burlap piece. Fold it in half to find the center, scrunch, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up and place it down. So I'm going to repeat this step for all of my 4 pieces just to kind of lay the foundation. And then I'm going to start mixing it up, adding more loops, and then mixing in the loops and the spikes. Now, the spikes could have actually been 10 inches long. Sometimes I cut them 10. I wanted to see how 12 inches would look just to kind of try it out. And then don't forget the loops are 18 inches long. So for the loop, I'm going to fold it in half to find the center and pick one end and scrunch it. Fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Then I'm going to make a loop and scrunch the other side. Find my center crease and scrunch it one more time. And don't forget to use your wand to help scrunch everything together because it's going to get pretty thick. And this is the time where you can just pretty much have fun, do what you want, add more loops, more spikes, just mix it up. So I'm going to do that for all of the pieces that I have left. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. I think it's adorable. You can continue on if you'd like, but I think this is a pretty good size. So I'm going to take my bow wire, take the 2 open ends and place it inside the loop. Hold my bow in place and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the Bowdabra. And now I'm going to tie it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. Now all of the ribbon I'm using for this bow is wire edge except for the gold printed ribbon. The great thing about using the wire edge ribbon is you can manipulate it as much as you'd like. So I'm just going to manipulate it, move it around, adjust it, and just make sure it looks really nice. And I'm actually going to ribbon cut the ends of my spikes. So to ribbon cut, you just fold it in half, the open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. And I'm going to do this for all of my spikes. You can definitely leave it squared off if you'd like. I do that sometimes. And I'm actually cutting a little more than I normally cut for the spikes just because, like I said, I cut these into 12-inch long pieces, but you can definitely go for 11, even 10-inch long pieces. And that's what it looks like. So cute and precious. Simple and easy to do, and it's the perfect finishing touch for your adorable Valentine's Day wreath.